Okay. We're arriving at W.P. Franklin. This is an Army Corps of Engineers, and it's also a campground and a marina of sorts. It's on the Caloosahatchee River. Stayed here many times. I'll go up here and get checked in. I'm early, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I want to find out soon, though. I am on Site 3 today. Low-flying trees. Guy that runs this campground's a real nice volunteer. Looks like he might be coming out to greet me already. We shall see, I guess. I'll get pulled over here. Stop here to register. I may have to stop here to wait for my site too. So there you go. Welcome to the W.P. Franklin boat launch in Alva, Florida at W.P. Franklin Campground, Lock and Dam. There's the parking. There's the boat ramp. Open at sunrise, close at sunset. I have a national park pass, so I'm assuming you had to have one. Nice steep ramp, but they're long, so that's a bonus. Okay, there's the lock and dam. There's a couple of the campsites. They got some nice campsites here too. But anyhow, this is the W.P. Franklin North.
Right there.
Yep, fish just jump. There's fish jumping. Birds chirping. Welcome to the W.P. Franklin Lock and Dam Okeechobee Waterway fishing pier on the Caloosahatchee River. Foot traffic only. No pets on the pier. Let's go see if there's any manatee or fish or fishermen or ducks or birds.
Or alligator.
I haven't seen a gator. I just saw a fish though. Okay. Thought maybe it was a manatee rattling his tail. Kind of windy today. Probably can't spot him. Anyhow, across the street there is the W.P. Franklin South day use area. I haven't been there yet. As many times as I've been to this side, I have not been on the south side. Be too deep out here for manatees, probably, because they like to graze on the grass. Boy, it's windy. Very windy today. There's been boats locking through. Oh, somebody's fishing. Or they locked their fishing net. Okay. Water doesn't look like much of a difference. Maybe a foot. I don't know. The fishing pier. What do you think? That bird's pretty vocal over there.
I see an oil jug laying up there.
Well, it probably floated up there, possibly. Okay, continue our tour. Oh, there's our campsite. We are site number what? 14? Yeah, 14. So that may be a manatee there. We got 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Water looks pretty brackish today, but that's not unusual. There's W.P. Franklin Campground. There's 30 sites here. There is a boat ramp, boat launch right there. I want to make a cruise down the river. That way goes to Miami. That way goes to Fort Myers, Naples. That way goes to Crystal. Let's go see something. Boy, it's windy. That's good though. It's hot. See anything notable? A turtle. Crystal says, watch out, there's a turtle. My golly, there is a turtle. Okay. I don't know how that's filming. Jumping back in. So we seen the manatee swimming over there by the white camper where that other dock is that you can't go out on. There was at least a family of them. Okay, that'll be the end of this little clip.